just very slippery. Ooh. Okay, so the plan is, this is not the campsite, and we're gonna go to a better spot that has a better view. I mean, this is pretty, but this one has a way better view and it's higher up and it's just more private. So we're going to pack up and bug out.
Going to the new site. Check it out. Here.
Is he on a leash? Earl, come on. Yeah. Go see Ashley, come on. Go see Ashley. Are you in low? It's probably best to just go in low. All of them. Straight. Keep going. Good. Keep going. God damn. Oh, he almost stalled it. All right, getting set up. There's Earl in his natural habitat. How you doing, buddy? We got our cable running to the generator. I'll show you the generator in a minute. This is the outlet for the sink. That just runs underneath the truck. So we don't have anything in the water tank, but what we're gonna do is, for dishes, just pour some water in the sink. So we got the 100-foot yellow extension cord, and then we're hiding our generator away so it doesn't annoy us. So this is this little blue 1000-watt, I think it's a Yamaha Jenny. Okay, go. Well, that fired up on the first pull. So we got AC on. Looks like it's got a little voltage gauge, about 115 or 120. It's hard to say, but AC switch to turn it on, and then it's running pretty quiet actually. So see how loud it really is from a distance. When you're on the fire, you can't even hear it. Can't even hear it.
All right, boys. Little after lunch, almost dinner, but you know,
Yeah.
better late than never.
We like campsites with a view. The last one was nice, but it didn't have that view.
Check out the view.
Look at that industry.
Cheers.
We got the fire going. Got a few cedar logs chopped up and some fir logs. It's burning pretty well now. There's Earl hanging out, having fun. He likes being outside. Check out that view. Nice. The sun's going down over here, so I guess the sun will come up this way somewhere. Which way is the sun gonna come up? Here? I don't know. I don't know. Where's the sun? We got our wood compartment going. So where the batteries are one day going to be when I can afford good batteries. We are storing our alternative fuel, cedar, and old maps. Yeah, light it on fire. Just kidding. All right, we got meal number 1 in Rough Cuts episode 2, courtesy of Asti. So what is it, Ash?
Chicken Alfredo.
Chicken Alfredo. Just a simple chicken Alfredo.
Just simple. It is. It's a simple chicken Alfredo.
Mmm, yum yum. All right, let's dig in. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh?
All right, guys, so here's the situation.
The heater stopped
the heater
working.
is not working, but guess what? We don't have batteries. So the battery is not dead. It's a 1,000-watt generator, so we're gonna go tweak it. I had the generator in choke mode, so I'm gonna take it out of choke mode, put it into full send mode. Are you okay? Yeah. This is in the on mode. Let's leave it like this and see if the fan kicks on. I don't like how that's running, but let's see if the fan, like the electric heater, kicks on.
They're pulsing.
They're pulsing with the generator. So it sounds like when you don't have enough load on it, it'll pulse.
Yeah.
Which is fine. So I think what we can do, since the furnace is working now, we'll shut this off. We'll go put it back on, like we'll put it in between choke and run, and then hopefully that'll be good. Are you saying that I should get batteries?
Yes.
We'll see what it does. Good? Yeah. Actually,
Oh, I guess I can't play this song, can I?
No, you cannot. Let's do it again. I guess I'll just get in ready position.
Get in the ready position, boys. Thermostat at the lowest setting.
Right now?
Yeah. Now.
Done.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, now light it. Okay. Okay. Is it lit?
Yep.
Okay. Is it?
Power lights on, yeah.
Yeah. That doesn't mean the fan's on though. What I've learned here is this system is not very redundant. This is black magic. This is internal happiness right now.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
She's so warm.
Oh yeah. We are both sophisticated Eddie Bauer representatives.